Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Today we are going to be doing a second unboxing of a new subscription. So for those of you that are new, welcome. We do a lot of unboxings on this channel. So as I said, this is the second month that I've received this box, and this is going to be a Lashy box. Now there are like, I don't know, 4 different styles that you can get. And I think this is the $13.99, and it comes out to like $16 after shipping or something like that. Last month I was not highly impressed with what was in the box. I don't know. So I said that I would give it 3 months. If I don't like it, then I will unsubscribe to it. But I wanted to give it a couple shots and see, you know, how it is. Last month, it was, if you didn't watch the video, it was, I don't know, like 4 pairs of lashes, but they looked not that great. And then there was a nice little travel size brush set and 2 Suva Beauty single eyeshadows. So let's see what's in this month's box. And this is December's box of 2019. This is what the box looks like. Very cute. The box, I gotta say, A+. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. So, I'll put this over to the side here so I'm not in the way. Do I remember if it gives a card? No, it does not give a card. So the first thing on top, I have no idea what this is, unless it might be like a puff to put on your face if, you know, when you're doing makeup or whatever. I'm not sure. If you guys know what this is, leave me a comment down below. Let me know. That's the only thing I can think of that is. And there's 2 of them in there. There's 2 different color pink ones. I don't know. Let me know if you know what that is. All right, second item I am pulling out is a very big lash that I will never wear, and this is 3D silk lashes in Lashy is the name. It is cute, very cutely presented. I love the glitter. I love that it's like an ornament. I don't think I can open it without untying that, but I'm pretty sure you can see through the, yeah, you can see how dramatic they are. That is a crazy lash. I won't get any use out of that. So far, not looking like it's the greatest box. But moving on. All right, these are missing their little ornament, it looks like. And it is in Fancy. Now, these are just as big, just not as filled as these ones are. You can see it's like the same, but there's a lot in this one and not, you know, a lot more lash. And this one's more thinned out. The bands look really nice. But yeah, okay. Moving on. We have, oh look, there is the piece for that. The little ornament piece. And, okay. One more month, you guys. One more month and I think I'm done. They literally sent the cheapest eye glue you possibly can get. So there's a little thing of eyelash glue. Okay, I'm not knocking it. All right, then we have another set of lashes with a crazy thick band, but the lashes aren't so bad. And this is Zola, Z-O-L-A. Doesn't have a name, it just says Premium 3D. So there are those. And then we have another set of lashes, and these are very pretty too. And I think we got this last time. Venzu, I don't know. So there's that. Those are pretty. I might give those a try. Packaging is cute. Little flamingos on there are awesome. I don't know if you can see that. Very cute. All right, and then the last thing in the box, Premium Liquid Eyeshadow from Jackie Love. So there is that. And let's see, it says Vibes is the color. It is wrapped in plastic, so let's see what's underneath the plastic. At least it's easy to get. It has one of those pull tabs to get open. It doesn't have like a color or anything. It just says Vibes in white. I'm kind of scared, to be honest. Okay, it's in a frosted glass. It definitely is very pretty. The packaging is pretty. Let's go ahead and see if it's worth anything. It does. Goodness gracious. And it is a doe foot little applicator. Okay. It's one more month, you guys. One more month. All right, so there is, after building it up a couple times, the eyeshadow. It's actually not that bad. Doesn't have a smell. Let me see if I can build it up any more than that. It does, I mean, it's really hard getting it in and out of there. No, not really. I mean, didn't really build up too much more. It's kind of sheer. Okay, so one more month, you guys. One more month. All right, so recap for, mind you, I think it was 16 and change after shipping. We have the liquid eyeshadow. We have the little baby eyelash glue. We have that lash, this lash, and that lash. And also something I have no idea what it is. So for, I think it's $13.99. Do you think this box is worth it? Do you think I should continue to get it? I pretty much think that next month that's going to be it for this box. So don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this box. Do you think it's worth it? Do you like the lashes that are in there? Do you think they're nice? I don't know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye.